how to get the swipe up feature on Instagram without 10k followers. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's guide video, I will simply show you how you can get the swipe up to link feature on your Instagram story without having 10k followers. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So if you have been an Instagram user for a long time, you may notice that on some people's stories you basically have the swipe up feature. Whenever you swipe up, you'd be able to be taken to a certain link. However, there is a certain criteria for that, and that is that you need to at least have 10k followers in order to enable that link option. And in this video, I will simply show you how you can get the swipe up or the link feature on your Instagram story without having 10,000 followers. So make sure to stick with me till the end. The first things first, you simply want to make sure you have updated the Instagram app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your app store, in the search box typing in Instagram. Go ahead and simply either download or update the Instagram app to the latest version. Once you've updated Instagram, I'm going to go ahead and then simply open it. And the next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. So once you are logged into your account, you can kind of see this is how the interface is going to look like. So what we will do is, first of all, I will go ahead and simply try to create a new story. As you can see in this case, let me just go ahead and select a random picture. For example, if you had over 10k followers, what happened was that you would be able to see a link icon somewhere on top of the screen, and if you tapped on the link icon and then you pasted a certain link, it would basically turn it into a swipe up feature on your Instagram story. However, you want to understand that there is an alternative solution to this. What you have to do is, first of all, tap on the sticker icon which you see on the very top right hand corner of the screen. Once you tap on the sticker icon, you'll be able to see all of these stickers over here, and in the search box we want to simply search for link. So let me just go ahead and type in link, and you'll be able to see the sticker which says link. All we have to do is simply tap on it. Once we tap on the link option, we have to simply paste a link or the URL which you want your viewers to be redirected to. So I will simply paste a demo link, for example, and I will tap on the done button. Now instead of the swipe feature, you at least have got this link feature which you might want to actually enable to the audience. Now what this does is that even if it's not the swipe up feature, it will at least get a job done to actually upload a link. Once you've uploaded this link, you can tap on the your story button, and I will also show you by tapping on that particular link that we will be redirected to that page. So let the story upload be complete first of all. Once you've uploaded your story, let's say for example, what you can do is simply tap on this link icon. When your users click on this link icon, and they can simply tap on the visit link button in order to go ahead and then visit that particular link. And this is the best alternative solution to the swipe up feature on Instagram without having 10k followers. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.